Hello everyone, welcome to Hitachi India's insightful podcast. Today, we are privileged to have with us Dr. Bharat Kaushal, Corporate Officer Hitachi Limited and Managing Director Hitachi India, and Mr. Sumil Vikamsey, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Cash Business at Hitachi Payment Services Pvt. Limited. The leaders today will share their wisdom on the groundbreaking innovations driving the growth of India's payments landscape. Dr. Bharat, how is Hitachi creating a financially inclusive ecosystem and ensuring it offers ease and empowerment to citizens through technology?
Technology is playing a catalyst in bridging the need gap by not only revolutionizing the payment touchpoints, but is also ensuring citizens get access to cash as and when needed. We have reconstituted the automated teller machine ATM concept by offering an array of services through India's first ATM on the Android platform. That eliminates the intermediary role of an ATM card, thus making your transaction more secure. Hitachi's white label ATMs are abundantly covering the length and breadth of India with over 75% in smaller locations, empowering people to celebrate life with pride.
Mr. Sumil, India is a cash-driven economy by large and far. What are your thoughts on this dynamic evolution of the financial landscape, and what role is Hitachi Payment Services playing?
We started our business in 2008, and at that point in time, we were primarily focused on deploying ATMs for banks. Roughly in 2014 or 15, the deployment of cash recycling machines picked. And as we stand today, we are roughly 55% plus market share, for cash recycling machines. The next part that we try to solve for 2010 till 2018-19, most of these deployments happen in the metro locations. Now, if you see the 1.4 billion population stack, 80% of that actually resides in the non-metro. And the availability and provision of these services taking into the non-metro has always been a challenge. So early around, I think year and a half ago, we started the micro ATM, which is a financial inclusion initiative. And we are trying to put in micro ATMs out there, giving Aadhaar enabled payments and all those solutions. We also started deploying white label ATM very early on, and we are today number 2 in that ecosystem. Now, underlying all of this is a requirement of maneuvering cash, transporting cash from one location to another. Early on this year, we acquired a cash logistics entity from Writers Corporation, and today we are a full stack ATM, cash recycling machine, white label ATMs, financial inclusion platform, combined with a cash and logistics agency.
Last year, Hitachi Payments launched the ATM on Android platform, and recently it has been in news for introducing India's first upgradable ATM. Mr. Sumil, could you please shed more light on the vision behind these innovations?
Anuj, in terms of the Android platform, we wanted to have avenues by which that same terminal and that same machine can provide for services which are new to bank customers. Android provided us that platform. So now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get all other services, whether it is loans, mutual funds, any other services that you find in a bank branch, being made available on that machine. Coming to the upgradable ATM, that machine will be an ATM, it will just dispense cash. And at any point of time, if the bank decides that they want to convert that same asset into a cash recycling machine, within a period of 4 hours, it can be converted into a cash recycling machine. And it just solves the problem of the investment that the banks make. It gives availability to dispense cash as well as accept cash.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bharat and Mr. Sumil, for sharing such progressive insights with us today. Thank you to everyone for joining us.